very serious and mysterious. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've just finished this painting that I started in the live now just before I filmed this, obviously. And I wanted to share the last part, what I did after I turned the live off and I finished the painting. I'm using Winsor & Newton paints. And now let's take the tape off. So in the live today we spoke about how to draw a face, a realistic face, and how to get the proportions and the measurements right, the basics of where the eyes are, where the nose is, and so on. And then I painted this afterwards. And the live is still available for replay if you want to check it out. If you want to see the beginning of this painting, check out the live. It's so satisfying to get to this point where you get to remove the tape. I love the white edges that comes afterwards. It's not completely dried. There we go. The finished picture. Next one I need to paint smiling, right? I think it was fun to make. Maybe not perfect, but hey, I enjoyed making it at least. Thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you in next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Bye bye, bye bye bye. Does it look like me?